Have you ever wondered how tattoo artists perfect their craft before they begin etching designs onto human skin? The secret lies in synthetic skin, a revolutionary tool in the world of tattoo artistry. Today, we delve into the fascinating process of creating an eye drawing on synthetic skin. To start, we have an artist at a table prepped with all the necessary tools: a wireless pen tattoo machine, dynamic black ink, gloves, and just a smidgen of Vaseline. The first step is all about cleanliness. Our artist slips on a pair of gloves, ensuring a sterile environment, a crucial aspect of any tattoo process. But now I not have gloves, so I worked with my naked hands. Next, we witness the artist dipping the wireless pen tattoo machine into the dynamic black ink. This ink is known for its deep, vibrant black color that stands out beautifully on synthetic skin. The artist then applies a thin layer of Vaseline on the synthetic skin. Now my Vaseline is almost finished, but I have little bit to work. This helps the needle glide smoothly and prevents the ink from spreading. Now comes the interesting part. The artist starts sketching the outline of the eye. The pen moves with precision, tracing the top and bottom eyelids, the iris and the pupil. Each line is drawn with an acute attention to detail, capturing the unique intricacies of the human eye. Also, you can stencil the picture of eye on the skin pad after applying stencil stuff and leave for a few minutes. It's more easy. Gradually, the artist moves from outlining to shading. The dynamic black ink works wonders in portraying the depth and dimension of the eye. The artist switches between different needle sizes on the pen machine, creating the perfect blend of shadows and highlights. The final step is the detailing. Here, the artist adds the finishing touches to the drawing, emphasizing the eyelashes and the reflections in the eye. These subtle details bring the drawing to life, making it look almost real on the synthetic skin. From the initial sketch to the final details, creating a realistic eye drawing on synthetic skin requires patience, precision, and practice. This fascinating process is a testament to the skill and artistry that goes into every tattoo. So there you have it, a step-by-step breakdown of how an eye is drawn on synthetic skin using a wireless pen tattoo machine, dynamic black ink, gloves, and a hint of Vaseline. Remember, every great tattoo artist starts somewhere, and synthetic skin provides the perfect canvas for practice. Until next time, keep practicing and keep creating beautiful art.